Hello and welcome, I'm Nathan42 and in this episode I'm going to be showing you how to update Windows 7 to Windows 10 for free. It seems like an age ago that you was unable to actually update your Windows 7 to Windows 10 anymore, but it turns out that that was actually not really true at all. So if you just don't go to this website here, we'll download this tool, the Windows 10 installation media. What it will do is it will download, you run it, and this is from the actual Microsoft website as well. This is what I've been using on the computers at my workplace to actually update from Windows 7 Pro to Windows 10. So it does work across either Home and Pro. What you need to do is open it up. It will say getting a few things ready for a little bit, and then it will eventually say upgrade your computer. Actually, it will eventually say the applicable notices and license terms. You're going to press accept to that, and then it would say the next bit. I'll post a link to this website in the description below, actually, so if you want to go and download yourself a copy of this, just to update yourself, just to make sure you're on a current and supported version of Windows, which I would recommend actually. So it's best not to be on Windows 7 at this point, because it is no longer supported, which means that any viruses or big security flaws in the system will not be patched, most likely, unless they're huge. But yeah, so it'll say, what do you want to do? Upgrade this PC now. You'll press next. There you go, and then it will run through and it will install Windows for you. Just a little tip that I thought I'd show you today on how to update your system from Windows 7 to Windows 10 for free. Not the number three, free. And once that is actually done, there is a couple of things that will be done, that should be done, which would be beneficial for your system to run as smooth as possible. Sometimes it leaves like CRUD files over after downloading and installing the update for Windows 7, mainly to allow it to actually perform the update. So temporary files will still be there and could still be causing issues. So the best thing to do is, once you have done this, go into your settings here, go to update and security, and once you've backed everything up, go to recovery, reset this PC. You can click get started, and then you can remove everything. So what this will do is it will wipe your system clean and reinstall Windows from scratch, which means that your system will probably run as smooth as it could ever run at the stage in its life. Remember that also, if you have a couple of virus scans, it's not worth having them. In honesty, I don't have a proper virus scan, I just have Windows security, and that has been doing perfectly well for me. Keep your uBlock Origin or AdBlock or whatever you want to use up to date. Make sure you use Chrome or Firefox instead of the browsers that come with the system, and you should be fine for security. Don't go to dodgy websites, but you know that already. So yeah, if you guys have any other queries about this, need any support, advice or assistance with this, let me know in the comment section below. If it's worked for you, well, let me know, give me a thumbs up, that'd be great. If it hasn't worked for you, let us know in the comment section below, and I will try and help you through it. But yeah, that is actually about it for this episode. It's been a very quick one, but I think it's a very useful thing that everyone should really be doing, especially since Windows 7 is no longer supported. Windows 10 is supported. It also has a load of cool features as well. This little area here is really good. It allows you to customize your start menu a little bit more. It's kind of like half 7, half 8 in that sense, because it allows you to customize the cool squares and stuff like that, which is really useful. But that is it for this time. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, learn anything from on Twitter, that's @Nathan42, and thanks for watching.